I'm back again with another Diwali makeup look. Now this is more toned down, more on the soft glam side of things, a complete 180 from my previous Diwali makeup look, but we still have glitters on our eyes because shimmers are just not enough for Diwali, and I've kept the rest of the look a monochrome pink because that matches my outfit, but you guys can go for whatever tones that suit your outfit. So yes, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. That gives my channel a boost. Now without further ado, let's jump right in. Hi everyone, happy Diwali. Let's get glam together. I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 03 Light Moyen, apply a little bit over my eyelids, even it out so that I have an even tone for my eyeshadows to go on. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. I'm in the shade Light Beige and just set that concealer into place so that it doesn't crease. And then taking the Makeup Revolution Sophx eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pick this beautiful pink shade because it matches with my outfit. You can go for whatever tones that suit your outfit of the day, or just pick your bronzer. We just need to define our eyes a little bit. I'm applying it towards the outer corner and on the crease of my eyelids and blending it nicely. Then just like my previous Diwali makeup look, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 02 Diamond Dust and apply it towards the inner half of my eyes. Now you can definitely go all out and apply it all over your eyelids, but because I have that beautiful pink shade, I want it to have its own moment. Then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige, a little bit Instagrammy over here. Then I'm going to buff it into place and go for concealer. I'm picking the same concealer from Swiss Beauty, applying just a little bit towards the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes and patting it into place with my Flawless concealer brush. Then taking the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, I'm going to set everything into place with a big fluffy powder brush. Taking the K-Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade, I'm going to apply it generously over my waterline and drag that pink shade on my lower lash line. Now taking this almost white golden shade, I'm going to highlight the inner corner and brow bone of my eyes, and there the eye look is all complete. Now I love a good bronzed up face, so I'm just going to nicely apply this bronzer all over my face and contour my nose because I just cannot do without it. Now to get that monochrome effect, I'm going to take the pink shade from the eyeshadow palette and use it as my blush. It just looks so pretty over my chin, run it on my nose. And now for highlighter, because we all need that glow for this Diwali, over my nose, tip of the nose and Cupid's bow. Now for mascara, I completely forgot this. I do use really weird angles to apply my mascara, but then it ends up looking really cute. Like you can see the difference, it's massive. Now for lipstick, I have used the Faces Ultime Pro crayon. This is in the shade Divine Rose. I haven't used this in a bit, but it's such a pretty shade. And now for the final reveal. Finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.